Hi Biz, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys my first affiliate. Yay! So I just become a brand ambassador with Yes So Yes. I know I'm not monetized yet but I guess they saw that I've been doing a lot of subscription boxes. So it is a subscription box. Well, yeah, it is a subscription box for makeup or for beauty, and so they reach out to me, and yeah, I became a brand ambassador for Yes So Yes. I am so excited. I know, I'm so sorry if I sound so excited in this video, but I'm really excited to do this video because I'm just ecstatic, you know. I want to show you guys. They are actually, I don't think they're a big company. It's okay, right? Because I mean, you gotta start small, you gotta start somewhere and then go big. Yeah, someday, hopefully, right? This subscription box is for $15. I know it's a little less than the Baxi Charm. I got the package. This is July. I haven't got the August yet. I know this is kind of late for the month, but it's okay. Well, I still just want to show you guys what I got. I was thinking maybe because it's $15, I was thinking it might be a sample size, so I kind of don't want to do a subscription of samples anymore unless it's like the Sephora Play. I haven't done any videos for Sephora Play because I don't know, it came with this bag, so it's not as fancy as the other subscription boxes, because the other subscription boxes, if you have been watching me for a while, then you would know that those boxes are kind of fancy and they're actually in a box, and this one is, yeah. Let me show you. I actually got 5 full-size products. So I got this. That's the name of the brand, Yes So Yes. It says here that you will receive a free gift every time you complete 4 consecutive months. So I haven't been with them for 4 months. Like I said, it's just recent. Most likely just last month, yeah. So after that 4 consecutive months that you've been subscribed to them, then that means they're gonna give you a free gift. So I'm looking forward to that because I want to put that in, you know, as a content, so you guys know, I can show you guys. So the first one, I got a mask. So usually, I don't know if you've seen me before, but I do use the mask sometimes and, you know, show it to you guys how I put it and stuff. But this time I didn't, just because it says here, this is it says Up in the Clouds. I was like, that's a cute name, but it's actually because this is best for frequent flyers. So if I rather give it to my friend, but I might use it for the sake of, you know, trying the product, because it says hydrating, and I like hydrating mask, because you know, this girl is dry face. So anyways, I got one mask from Timeless Beauty Bar. I got about Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. This is a long wear eye pencil. Look, I didn't kind of finish my makeup because I kind of looked into what's in here, and I want to show you guys what's, yeah. Oh look, this is like it says Deep Violet. So it's not automatic, so this is sharpened. You have to sharpen it later on. Cool that this is actually purple, because I know the camera doesn't do justice with my makeup, but like on this side is actually like purple on the edge. You can really see, I think. I don't know if you can, but just watch it. Oh, that's the only thing. I think I did it too hard that it came off, but it's a pretty violet. I think it looks nice when if you use it as a. Ooh. Oh, it looks nice when you let it out. It's gonna be good for like a smoky purple eye, violet eye. Maybe I can try that later on. I got a full-size double there 4 HD sleek eyeliner. So I don't know why it's 4 HD. Maybe that's just like a name to it. But I've never heard about of double there. So it's I think it's black. You know what? We'll use the other one first. Well, let me show you guys since I'm gonna need a mirror. This is the other one. It came with the palette. This is from Beauty Creations. Beauty Creations, they're kind of they have good stuff, like a lot of like colorful, and they do like a lot of like dupes as well. I actually got a dupe palette with like a Huda. Kind of looks like the Huda Mauve Obsession. So it has matte, a mirror, matte, kind of colorful palette, but you have shimmers, glitters, and like a cream kind of glitter. So those colors, like this one, the 9, the Alien Girl, Leo, Dreamer, and also the Hustle are all in my eyes. It's all in my eyes. So I just did that beforehand so I can show you guys. But let's do some swatches. So I haven't seen this one. Is Batty. This is 9. This is Dinero. That's the Alien Girl. Is the Boss. Ooh, look at that blue. This Ruiz. I wasn't kidding when I told you it's pigmented, huh? Oh god, I think I put too much. This is Fire. That's really dark. That blue. And it's so pretty. This is Muffin. Okay, I thought that was like dark brown. It's actually not. It's like a maroon. Oh. And that's Unstoppable. Or maybe it's just like in the camera. Oh, it is. Okay. So the last two right there, this is what they look like in the pan. Right? So it's like brown, but they're actually not brown. They kind of look like a maroon and a red. Like a dark red, not red. Okay, so that's all the mattes. Let's do the shimmer. That's the Dreamer. This is the 6. Okay, I want to use them as a highlight as well, you guys. So I'll show you. I'll use it. And one of them is actually the glitter is right there. So there's 4 colors of glitters. And okay, I think I'm just gonna swatch it all. But I don't know if you're really gonna see this just because I didn't put any. Okay, look at those glitters. Okay, so there's a little bit of like a really small fallout, but that's because I kind of pressed too hard when I was doing the swatches. But earlier when I did my eyeshadows, there was no fallout. There was a fallout definitely for the glitters, but not the mattes and the shimmers. And now I'm gonna use the double there eyeliner. So this is a felt tip. Sometimes I don't like felt tip because sometimes they dry a lot faster. and sometimes they're not sturdy enough, so it's kind of hard to work with it. But this one is actually pretty good. I don't like the smell of it though. It smells like glue. Not a fan of the smell. So I think the eyeliner is not that black. It looks like a charcoal, more like charcoal black. Let's watch that. Oh, it looks black in here, and it feels like it's still wet on my eyes. On my eyelid, it looks kind of dark grayish, like a charcoal black, like I said. Anyways, it's still pretty. Okay, lastly, I got a lipstick from, is it an S? Sormay or Jormay? I don't know. Oh God.
I take super red. Not super red.
Wow, that's right. I don't wear that color, but for the sake of this video, I guess it's okay. I want to try and use this one. Is the one that says 6 as a highlighter. I think I like the Dreamer more. Let's look at the Dreamer. If I use this, I think it's more blinding. Ha! There you go. Let's try that on this one. So the lipstick is actually drying up as matte. There's a little bit, but it doesn't feel like those matte that feels like a glue. It's soft on the lips. Oh my God, like the glitters are like all over me now. That's it. Those are the stuff that I got from this subscription, from Yes Oh Yes subscription box. And like I said earlier, this is my first affiliate and we're brand ambassador for them. So the affiliate code will be down below in the description box, so if you want to try it out. I'm not too sure if they're doing international just yet, but it's available in US and it's $15, although the one downside I think is the shipping, so you have to pay for the shipping. So even though it's a $15, it kind of goes to like all the way to close to $20 because of that. So you have to pay for the shipping. If you want to use my code, I will really appreciate that. I will update you again on the next one for this month. Hopefully this time it's gonna be early. I'm so sorry, it's kind of behind, but still wanted to share with you guys that I first affiliate. Yay! I hope you had fun watching me with this crazy look, and especially my crazy lips. I'm super red. I've never really worn red my whole life. That's not my color. That's not the color for me. I always like my nudes. If you want to watch more subscription boxes unboxing, I will link that below. And if you want to see the products that I use, I'm gonna put that also in the description. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you're new in this channel, please do subscribe and also hit that bell button so next time I upload a video you get notified right away. Alright, thank you, Beth. Have a good one. Bye-bye.